Hello, my name is Julio Arroyo, Mill Valley School District Director of Safety, Operations, and Maintenance. Since the summer, we've been working really hard on preparing our workspaces and our classrooms with all the safety measures that we need. From the maintenance point of view, we've been replacing all of our HVAC filters to MERV 13, which is recommended by the state of California. We actually have HVAC inspections that are ongoing and will be completed before students return. We will be going into each workspace in each classroom to ensure that the HVAC units are operational. We're bringing in air purifiers in each of the classrooms. We're going to be going over our air purifiers that will be in each room equipped throughout our district, consistently purifying the air and making sure that the air is being cleaned and it's safe and healthy for our students and staff. There's also an ionizer feature for additional poor air quality days to make sure that the particles are taken care of and cleaned. I think it's a great machine and it really ensures that our health and safety is really prioritized when we're in the classroom spaces and it's continuously cleaning the air. You can run your ceiling fan while this machine is on, as well as open a window or two to bring in additional fresh air as it's cleaning the space. That's okay, as well as running your heating and ventilation system in the classroom. This works along with those other items to continually clean the space. We've developed our school site specific protection plans. Each campus created a stakeholders group with teachers, maintenance and operations staff, the principal, as well as other key stakeholders. And so the plans were submitted and approved by the county as well as the Department of Health. Our staff is really working hard to make sure when students return, all these items are in place.
Hi, my name is Juan Llaverias. I work for the Mill Valley School District Maintenance Department. And what I do is I try to provide the best support and accomplish tasks to help create a good learning environment in an aesthetically pleasing way that is safe and comfortable to all. I contribute to support all staff to achieve goals that the district has set. I've been putting up the plastic shields to have a nice, safe environment for the staff and in different areas as directed.
My name is Daniel Jimenez. I am one of the maintenance techs here at Mill Valley School District. I take care of Edna, Tam, and Strawberry Point. Getting the schools back for all the kids, getting them ready for action. Changing all the filters. Right now we're in the process of moving all the furniture that's not needed in the classrooms.
Hi, my name is Nick Delucchi. I work in the Maintenance and Grounds Department. I visit all the school sites in which I take care of all the grounds and throughout our district.
My name is John C. and I'm a daytime custodian here at the middle school. One of my favorite job here is like we do the deep cleaning. And then one of my favorite project, like here, we installed the new shield in the middle school. Then I'm happy to work here.
My name is Samson Chagala Kagiri, and I'm a middle school custodian. So the part I like too much in my job is cleaning, disinfecting, and sanitizing for the safety of the students, staff, and whoever members who come to the school. So safety is my key.
Yeah, my name is Samson Chagala. I'm a custodian for 8th grade and 7th grade. This at night time. My work is to make sure that I get the classes clean. The other job I do here is during summer cleaning. I'm in the group of cleaning the carpet and also keeping the classes clean liberally and all the offices.
Hi, I'm Yvonne Allison. I am your evening custodian. We maintain the upkeep of the school. We sanitize the schools as much as possible. I also clean both of the girls' bathrooms and the men do the boys' bathrooms. We change paper towels, trash, high dust. During the summer, it's our extensive part of cleaning. We high dust the whole entire school. We sanitize, strip, buff, wax floors, shampoo carpets, clean desks under the tables, on top of the tables, whiteboards. Seriously spring cleaning. We're wearing gloves more. We're wearing masks. We're well supplied with masks, hand sanitizers, and I love my job.
I'm Patrick Barron. I've been employee of the Mill Valley School District for 32 years. I've been at Edna 30 of those. I've always enjoyed working here. and we've been working hard getting this school ready for the kids when they do eventually come, and we want to provide a safe working environment and a safe learning environment for the kids, and that's basically my job. We've been marking furniture so we can have the social distancing at the required distance, and we're moving a lot of the furniture around right now.
My name is Daniel Waithaka, night custodian at here Edna Maguire. This is my third year and I like the place. We've been doing a lot of work during the time of summer, trying to make it super clean. I've been working with Pat, and I can assert to you that I'm a good carpet cleaner. He has showed me everything. Yeah, waiting to see the kid come back to school again.
My name is Hien Tran, and I work at Old Mill, 23 years, and I'm custodian here. I love here with the kids and parents, and I keep school clean and the kids safe. This summer we're very busy, clean the classroom, get ready for the kids come back, and clean outside, powder wash and all window, and cannot wait till the kids come back. I'm very pleased and very glad and happy to work at Old Mill School District, and good community, and PTA wonderful. For 22 years for me.
I'm Greg Mayor. I do cleaning. I move furniture. If like now, I move all the furniture to make safe for the student. I do all the cleaning. I make sure to make it clean and safe for the student and all the staff.
My name is Francisco. I'm work on park school, elementary. It's busy in the summer. Yeah, different at other school because the other school don't have a good floor. Only here. We make all classroom and the auditorium, in hallway. Yeah, and the varnish and waxing the hallway. It's hard. I be happy. Yeah, I like it. Working here.
Hi, my name is Carlos Mendoza. I've been working at the Park School at the Mill Valley School District for the last 13 years. And one of the things about my job is the interaction with the staff, parents, and kids. And hopefully this year it's going to be good. It's going to be a good year, and let's hope for the best. We've been doing is getting ready the school for this during the summer, doing the classroom, hallways, bathrooms, windows, pretty much everything.
Hi everybody, my name is Big Loyalty Pham. I work for Strawberry School and Edna Maguire for like 11 years. During the summer, my boss take me to the Edna Maguire and work, and I clean the whole school. Now I go back to work at Strawberry Pond for 4 hours and 2 hours at Edna Maguire. Right now, because no student, and I just clean 2 bathrooms, boy and girl, go around to take trash, and I will vacuum and wipe the handle, the counter, and I clean the office and the multiple room.
My name is Victor, and I work here in Strawberry Point School, and I've been working here for 7 years. Hopefully that everything is been or it can be good for everybody and health-wise.
I'm Carlos Ramirez. I'm working here at Tam Valley Elementary School for almost 19 years. During the summer, we did a lot of work, cleaning all the classroom as always. And right now, we're still disinfecting the room, all that the teachers touch, and every day.
Hi, I'm Travis Bowie. I work at Tam Valley. We've been working very hard to clean top to bottom for the summer.